Top 4. Best meat to flush out. Toxins and repair kidneys. Fast. What if I told you that the meat you choose every day could either slowly damage your kidneys or help them clean toxins and heal faster? Most people think kidneys only work like simple filters, but in reality, kidneys are living organs. They react to everything you eat, especially the type of protein you put into your body. The wrong meat can make kidneys work harder, increase inflammation, and allow waste to build up. But the right meat can be easier to process, support tissue repair, and help reduce toxic stress inside the body. In the United States, many kidney nutrition studies now show something surprising. It's not always about eating less meat, it's about choosing the right type of meat. Some meats create more waste and acid in the body, while others provide clean protein that kidneys can handle more safely. Today, we will break down 4 meats that are often recommended in kidney-friendly diets in America. You'll learn why they help remove toxins, how they support kidney repair, and also when eating them the wrong way can actually cause harm. Make sure you stay until the end of this video, because I will also share the safest cooking method that can reduce kidney stress and help your body absorb protein more easily. Something most people never talk about. Number 1. Skinless chicken breast. When talking about meats that are easier on the kidneys, skinless chicken breast is often one of the safest choices doctors suggest. The kidneys work all day and night to clean waste out of the blood. Every time protein is eaten, the body turns part of it into waste that the kidneys must remove. The good news is that some proteins are much easier for the body to use. Chicken breast is one of them. It gives the body strong, clean protein that helps repair muscles and body tissues, while leaving behind less waste for the kidneys to deal with. Research published in Clinical Nutrition has shown that people who switch from red meat to lean poultry like chicken often see lower blood urea nitrogen levels. This is a simple blood test doctors use to see how hard the kidneys are working. Lower levels usually mean the kidneys are under less stress. Chicken breast is also helpful because it naturally contains less phosphorus than many red meats. This matters more than most people realize. When kidneys become weak, they have trouble removing extra phosphorus from the blood. Over time, too much phosphorus can make bones weaker and can even increase the risk of heart problems. The National Kidney Foundation explains that choosing protein foods lower in phosphorus may help slow kidney damage. Another benefit is that chicken breast is very low in saturated fat. Too much unhealthy fat can irritate blood vessels and slow down blood flow. The kidneys depend on steady blood flow to filter toxins properly, so less inflammation inside the body can make a real difference. Chicken is also easier for the body to digest and usually creates less acid after meals. Many kidney nutrition studies show that lower acid levels help reduce pressure on the tiny filtering parts of the kidneys. But chicken can lose its benefits very quickly depending on how it is cooked. Fried chicken or crispy breaded chicken may be popular comfort foods, but they often bring large amounts of salt and unhealthy fats. Too much salt can raise blood pressure, and high blood pressure is one of the biggest causes of kidney damage according to the American Heart Association. Processed chicken foods like nuggets, frozen patties, or sliced deli chicken can be even harder on the kidneys. These products often contain phosphate additives that are easily absorbed into the blood and can build up quickly in people with kidney problems. The safest way to enjoy chicken for kidney health is to keep it simple. Boiled, steamed, or lightly grilled chicken breast without the skin is usually the best choice. Using natural herbs, lemon, or mild spices instead of salt can help keep flavor without adding extra stress on the kidneys. Simple cooking may not sound exciting, but it helps the body use protein more safely and gives the kidneys a better chance to rest and repair over time. Number 2. Lean turkey. When looking for meats that are gentle on the kidneys, lean turkey is another option often recommended in kidney-friendly meal plans in the United States. Turkey is commonly used as a substitute for red meat because it provides strong protein while creating less strain on the kidneys. Protein is still important, especially for older adults, because it helps maintain muscle strength, supports healing, and helps the body stay active. Lean turkey gives the body enough protein to keep muscles healthy, but it usually does not cause the same heavy waste buildup that can happen with fattier or darker red meats. This balance makes turkey a popular choice in many renal nutrition programs. One important benefit of lean turkey is that it contains lower purine levels compared to many types of red meat. Purines are natural substances found in protein foods, and when the body breaks them down, they turn into uric acid. When uric acid builds up too much in the blood, it can form sharp crystals that may irritate joints and also place extra stress on the kidneys. Kidney nutrition studies have shown that lowering purine intake may help reduce uric acid buildup, which may lower small levels of inflammation inside kidney tissues. Less inflammation can help the kidneys filter blood more smoothly, especially in the early stages of chronic kidney disease. Turkey also supports muscle maintenance without causing a large increase in creatinine, which is another waste product doctors monitor to check kidney function. Lean turkey also provides helpful nutrients that support overall kidney protection. It contains selenium, a mineral known for helping the body fight oxidative stress. Oxidative stress happens when harmful molecules damage cells, including kidney cells. Selenium works like a shield, helping protect tissues from damage over time. Turkey is also a natural source of B vitamins, which help the body produce energy, support nerve health, and assist in red blood cell production. These nutrients are especially important because kidney problems can sometimes lead to fatigue and weakness. Keeping the body nourished with these vitamins may help improve daily energy and support general health. However, the way turkey is prepared makes a very big difference. Many popular turkey products sold in stores, such as smoked turkey, deli turkey slices, or cured turkey, often contain very high amounts of sodium. Too much sodium can cause fluid buildup in the body and raise blood pressure, both of which increase pressure on the kidneys. In addition, processed turkey products often include phosphate preservatives that are easily absorbed into the bloodstream. These additives can speed up kidney scarring and make it harder for damaged kidneys to keep mineral levels balanced. The healthiest choice is fresh, lean turkey that has not been processed. Cooking methods such as baking, boiling, or light grilling without heavy salt or packaged seasonings help keep turkey safe for kidney health. Adding natural flavors like garlic, herbs, or lemon juice can make turkey taste good while still protecting the kidneys. Choosing simple fresh turkey allows the body to receive clean protein and helpful nutrients while lowering the risk of hidden additives that may quietly harm kidney function over time. Before we continue, take a quick moment to support the channel by hitting the subscribe button. It really helps more people learn how to protect their kidney health naturally. If you have any questions, health concerns, or personal experiences, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Every comment helps build a helpful community where people can learn from each other. Also, it would be wonderful to know where you are watching from and how old you are. Kidney health can change with age, and sharing this helps create videos that are more helpful for everyone watching. Now let's continue. Number 3, white fish. White fish is another protein source often used in hospital kidney diets across the United States. Types like cod, tilapia, and haddock are usually chosen because they are light, easy to digest, and provide clean protein without putting too much pressure on the kidneys. As the body gets older, digestion can slow down, and heavy or fatty meats can be harder to process. White fish tends to break down more easily during digestion, which means the body can use the protein more efficiently and create less nitrogen waste. Nitrogen waste is one of the main byproducts the kidneys must filter out of the blood. When less waste is produced, the kidneys can work more smoothly and with less strain. Many clinical dietary studies have shown that patients who include moderate amounts of white fish in their diet may experience better protein tolerance compared to heavier meats. Another reason white fish is considered kidney-friendly is its naturally low-fat content. High-fat meats can increase oxidative stress in the body, which is a process where unstable molecules slowly damage cells, including the sensitive filtering cells inside the kidneys. White fish contains less saturated fat, which may help reduce this type of stress. Some white fish varieties also provide small but helpful amounts of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s are known for helping reduce inflammation throughout the body. Inflammation inside kidney tissues can slowly damage blood vessels and reduce filtering ability over time. Studies in clinical nutrition have suggested that omega-3 intake from fish may support healthier blood vessels and improve endothelial function, which is the ability of blood vessel walls to relax and maintain proper blood flow. Healthy blood vessels are very important because kidneys depend on steady blood circulation to remove toxins effectively. Whitefish may also help improve lipid balance in the blood. Balanced cholesterol and triglyceride levels support heart health, and heart health is closely connected to kidney health. Doctors often explain that when the heart and blood vessels stay strong, the kidneys usually function better as well. Because of its lighter texture and lower fat profile, whitefish is often recommended for patients who need protein but must avoid foods that could increase kidney workload. However, whitefish is not completely harmless, and portion size still matters. Even though it is lighter than red meat, whitefish still contains moderate amounts of phosphorus. For individuals with advanced chronic kidney disease, phosphorus can build up in the blood if eaten in large amounts. Seafood also naturally contains sodium, which can contribute to fluid retention and higher blood pressure when consumed too frequently. Another common concern is frozen or pre-seasoned fish products. Many packaged fish fillets are injected with salt-based solutions or seasoning mixes that can quietly raise sodium levels far above what is safe for kidney patients. The safest way to include whitefish in a kidney-friendly diet is to choose fresh, unseasoned fish and keep portions moderate. Cooking methods such as steaming, baking, or lightly grilling help preserve nutrients while avoiding extra salt or unhealthy fats. Adding natural flavors like herbs, garlic, or lemon can make the fish enjoyable without placing extra burden on the kidneys. When eaten in balanced portions and prepared simply, whitefish can provide gentle, high-quality protein while supporting blood vessel health and helping the kidneys work more comfortably over time. Number 4. Fresh shrimp. Fresh shrimp is one of the most debated seafood choices when it comes to kidney health. It is not completely harmful, but it is also not a food that can be eaten freely without thinking about portion size. In many U.S. kidney nutrition discussions, shrimp is often described as a sometimes food. It can provide certain benefits when eaten carefully, but it can also cause problems if eaten too often or prepared the wrong way. Shrimp contains moderate amounts of protein and is naturally low in fat, which makes it easier for the body to digest compared to heavier red meats. When protein is easier to digest, the body usually produces less waste during breakdown, which can reduce the amount of work the kidneys must do to filter toxins from the blood. Shrimp also provides important nutrients that support other body systems connected to kidney health. One of these nutrients is iodine. Iodine plays an important role in thyroid function, and thyroid hormones help control metabolism, energy balance, and blood circulation. The thyroid and kidneys are closely connected because proper hormone balance helps maintain stable blood flow and fluid control, both of which support kidney filtration. Shrimp also contains natural antioxidants that help protect cells from oxidative stress. Oxidative stress happens when harmful molecules slowly damage tissues, including kidney cells. Some clinical nutrition studies suggest that antioxidant-rich foods may help reduce long-term tissue damage and support organ function when eaten in balanced amounts. Even with these benefits, shrimp still contains certain risks that must be understood. Shrimp naturally contains higher cholesterol compared to many other seafood options. While dietary cholesterol does not affect every person the same way, people with kidney disease often have higher risks of heart and blood vessel problems. Because heart health and kidney health are strongly connected, controlling cholesterol intake remains important. Shrimp also contains natural sodium, which can contribute to fluid retention and rising blood pressure when consumed in large portions. High blood pressure is one of the leading causes of kidney damage, according to many cardiovascular and renal health organizations. Another concern with shrimp is its purine content. Purines break down into uric acid inside the body. When too much uric acid builds up, it can form crystals that irritate joints and may increase stress inside kidney tissues. This does not mean shrimp must be avoided completely, but it does mean portion control is extremely important. In early stages of chronic kidney disease, shrimp may still be included occasionally, especially for individuals who struggle with low protein intake or anemia. Adequate protein can help maintain muscle strength and support red blood cell production, both of which are important for overall energy and recovery. Shrimp becomes harmful most often when it is processed. Dried shrimp, salted shrimp, and frozen pre-seasoned shrimp products often contain extremely high sodium levels. These forms can quickly increase fluid buildup and place heavy stress on kidney filtration. Large portions of shrimp eaten frequently can also increase uric acid and cholesterol load over time. The safest way to enjoy shrimp is to choose fresh shrimp only. Prepare it using simple cooking methods like boiling, steaming, or light grilling, and keep portion sizes small. Using natural seasonings such as garlic, herbs, or lemon can improve flavor without adding extra salt. When eaten occasionally and prepared carefully, fresh shrimp can provide useful nutrients while still protecting kidney function and helping maintain balanced protein intake. Taking care of your kidneys is not only about avoiding bad foods, it is also about choosing the right foods that help your body heal and remove toxins safely. As discussed today, certain meats can actually support kidney function when they are chosen and prepared carefully. Skinless chicken breast provides clean protein that creates less waste. Lean turkey helps reduce uric acid buildup while supporting muscle strength. White fish offers gentle protein that is easy to digest and supports healthy blood vessels. Fresh shrimp, when eaten in small amounts, can provide helpful nutrients that support overall balance in the body. The key message is simple. It is not about eating more meat. It is about choosing lighter, cleaner protein sources and cooking them in ways that protect kidney health. Small daily food choices can slowly reduce kidney stress, support repair, and help maintain energy as the body ages. Many kidney problems develop quietly over time, which is why healthy habits today can make a big difference later. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like the video and subscribe to the channel. This helps more people learn simple and safe ways to protect their kidneys. If you have questions, personal experiences, or topics you would like to learn about next, share them in the comments below. Every story and question helps others who may be going through the same health journey. Thank you for watching and take good care of your health. Your kidneys work for you every single day, and they deserve the same care in return.